Welcome back friends. So friend, in this video we will begin to work inside our body. So first of all I would like to correct a mistake. Actually it is a Google code, not the only Google code, and Control S to save. So friend, now I come inside the body, and first of all I make a div, and I will close this div right above where the body tag is closing. So inside this body we will make all the structure of our website. So friend, I give a class to this div on the name of page. Control S to save. So now friend, I will come inside this body and I will make a header. So here I will close this header and I will give a comment, header starts, and I copy it and paste it down, and here I write header ends. Control S to save. And friend, I go to my browser and refresh it. You see that nothing is showing over this browser page because I have not written anything yet. And inside friend this header I will make an anchor tag, and then I will give a class to that anchor. Anchor href is equal to, and here I will make a dummy sign and I will close this anchor. And friend, I will give a class to this anchor, class double quotes and space, and I will give it a name logo. Control S to save, because inside this header I will place my logo and I will also place the header banner. So friend, I also give a comment to it. I copy it, just Control C, Control V, and in spite of header I write here page class starts, Control C, Control V, and here I write page class ends. So friend, I have made a div and I close that div in the end right above the closing tab of body, and inside that div I make the header tag, and inside that header tag I made an anchor link and I gave a class to that anchor link named logo. So friend, now I come out of this header and I make a section here and I close this section down, and under this section I make a nav tag for navigation bar and I close the nav here. So in the same way I give comments to nav also. I write here nav starts, I Control X and I paste it here, Control C to copy and Control V to paste, and here I write starts. Friend, inside this nav I will make some anchor text, anchor tags. A href is equal to, I will close it and make a dummy sign, and here I will write home and I will close this anchor tag. So Control D to duplicate, I duplicate it for 3 times more, 1, 2 and 3, and now I will change the name. Services, about us, and contact us. So friend, after making this nav tag, right after the nav tab, I press enter and I will make a footer tag. Press enter and here I will close the footer, and in the same way I will write a comment here. And I write here footer ends, Control C to copy, Control V, and here I write footer starts. And friend, inside this footer I will just write end, copy, and semicolon. So I will write here copyright by Computerfever.com. Control S to save. Now I go to my browser and refresh this page. So your friend, this kind of preview is showing. All these navigation bar links are showing: home, services, about us, contact us, and footer is showing in this way. Copyright by Computerfever.com. I increase its zoom so you see more perfectly. So friend, once again I would like to tell you that in this video, first of all, I wrote code here because I missed code in last video. I did not write code here, and after writing code, I came inside the body tag here, and I made a div, and I gave a class to that div on the name of page, and I close that div in the end, right above where the body tag is closing. Then once again I made a header tag, header starts and header ends, and inside this header I made an anchor tag, and I gave a class on the name of logo to this anchor tag. And then I made a section, and I did not write anything inside this section. And after the section I made a navigation nav tag starts and nav tag ends, and inside this nav tag I made these 4 links, and then I made footer tag and close footer tag, and inside this footer I wrote this thing. So friend, in next video I will come back and begin to work on it again.